back. Now I'm pulling the fuel injector. Plugs. Pin puller. Catching it. Popping them off. And carefully. Could be pretty. Could be brittle. No, like I said. Yeah. Okay, get that one. Got a little one up in it. Go. Okay. Alright, those are done. Now we gotta pull them out. Got the water. Got this water line in the way. This one here. Yeah, pretty easy. This comes up. There's your O2 sensor line. Quit getting caught in there. Go. Alright. It sits on this side like that. Now I gotta go into here. Gonna have to disconnect that. Get this heating line moved. Where are you? On this one, it's gonna go in. Which one is that? Heat line. Okay, it's underneath the. Going into that one. Oh, it's coming from the center split here. Okay, there it is. There it is, right there. Okay. On top of that, got one on. Yeah, see, it's disconnected on this one. Okay, so it's just a. Okay. So let's see where my 10. Okay. Crap, I don't have the. Where's my impact? All I gotta do is loosen it just a little bit because it'll slide out of it. There you go. Still not enough room, huh? Yank it up a little bit. And get it out of the way. There we go. Okay. Now here. Yeah, we got all our good stuff on here. So let's see. Oh, you're gonna make me difficult. You're gonna be difficult. Oh, you jerk. Oh, I gotta disconnect. Gonna have to disconnect this. Come on. I didn't want to have to do that. But you ain't getting it. You ain't getting this under that. Outdoor, what's that? Oh, because you got your fuel rail in the way. It's got to go under the fuel rail. Man. Come on. Let it go. Come on. There we go. Alright, I won't have to do that. But you're out of here. Let's go. Come on. All right. And there. What? Pull this on there, on this side. Just grab whatever you want. There. There's one. No, there, girl. There we go. Get over there. Alright, now to get it under the fuel rail. Good shit. Oh, I gotta get my way there. Work it. Hey! Alright. Now, put it back in. I just had this. Oh, crap on that side. Oh, okay. Oh, crap on this side. Yeah. spend all that time trying to get it back in here. Now, what was sticking on top of it? Did we go under it? Yeah, we under it. I think we got to continue to go under it because you sit on top, it gets hot. What is in between? Yeah. Go. Underneath. What is it fucked up here?
time before installing that engine, loosen up the B-nuts either on the EGR valve or at the manifold. It'll make it easier to install that valve on the plenum.
That was too easy. Come on. First. Now, okay, here with this point. Now everything's got to go back under your heating line. Where's your heater cord? Here. Take me up here a little bit further. Under that. Good Lord. On. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Here's the 3 that go on that. 1, 2, and then you got one of these. But yeah, that's where it was. It was under that. Yep. All right. Again. Why you gotta be difficult? That's not get under there. Get under there. All right, there we go. Okay. All here. What in the heck are you doing? Okay. So. All that done. And spider web. Rotate around so it's jammed up here. Okay. As you see, just like so. You're on there like that. Okay, so let's find those fuel injectors. One, three, one. 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 Two. Two and 3 is back here. I'll put this in a little different fashion. Doesn't act like, yeah. There you go. I'm gonna go under it. I'm gonna go under and come back up. I don't remember. Gotta go under it. Oh, yeah, sits on top. Like that. We go like this. Where are you? Right here. Okay. Okay, quick in there. Alright. There she is. 2, 3. Alright. Now, put a little garbage back together. This will eventually be over here somewhere. Alright. I'll cut it out. What's that one go to? Oh, probably the breather. You're hooked up. Hit your butt on there. Okay, so that crap can hang around there. These go like so. Over here somewhere because they go off the manifold. Like that. And we'll get it squared away. Maybe go like that. Yep. Okay. Yeah, you got a fatter one. There you go. And then you get a skinny one. Those go in there. Get on there. There we go. It'll sit like so. I gotta replace that hose. Okay, so take care of that. Come on, you. Let's go. Alright. So, you gotta go back up underneath. Like so. Yep. Hey. Your good reference is this thing here. It's got to sit in the middle of your rail. There we go. Get him here. Got to change out temperature. Oh, to over here. I think that goes to that, because this is going to be in the middle here. Yep. There goes to that. Unfortunately, it's different. It's different. You down here somewhere. You go on here. Alright, so it takes care of that. Let's get the fuel injector on here. Plug. You going that quick? Yep. Alright, down into that. This one here. Blink. And your last one. Like so. There you go. Alright, our fuel injection harnesses. No, your actual. This is the harness. Alright. So we go, and then that'll go to your, that one goes right over here on this side, locks in. Alright, these are all, let me go into this, like so. Okay, here's your, yep, this is your pickup. That's gonna go there like so. And this one here, where you go? Oh, alright. This one goes down. This is your get like you're supposed to be. It's gonna go into that. Like so. Alright. You're gonna go down, 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 down. Okay. This one's going to pick up. This one here. It's gonna go around and then plugs into your cam or crank pickup. A flashlight. Alright. Providing it the same plug. Okay, very good. Alright, there we are. What? Yeah. Hose clamp. Where do you belong? Up here? Oh, yeah, you fell off of it. Alright, so there you go. There's your crank pickup. And then you got, I'm not sure if that might be all pressure pickup. Yeah. Down under that. Because when the thing comes back, it's going to be up underneath. Up under that. Alright, this one's going in. I think it's a temperature sensor. Alright, where are you? There he is. Okay. Another sensor. It's right there. Alright, there we go. Alright, I like it. Alright, where's the... Alright. I put that over to the side for the moment. Alright. Because that can go... This can actually go back on here. Oh, yeah. No, never mind. See, because this has got to go. This will have to go under that because that bolts down on top of that. But I need this off so I can change out the coil for the pickup. Alright, so there we go with that. Let's get your butt on there. The bottom one. Go through there. Okay. Because yeah, you couldn't really do anything until we put the thing in there. Oh yeah. Oh. God. Get this out of there. Slide. Let's go. That's fine back there, like so. Alright. Stay down under that. Got those two alignments. Very good. It's in the. That's clear. That's clear. No pinching. Sure you didn't pinch anything. Just slide out just a little bit. Sure you can see. Okay. Yep. Clear there. Clear there. Alright. You can see your little pickup thing here. Alright, sweet. I say bolted in. Alright. Let's see. 16. Yeah, let's use it. Do this sucker first, huh? Remember I told you we had that one in down here. Let's do that one first. I'll pull it in and you don't have to. I don't have to worry about that no more. Get her started. Okay. How'd you going in? Okay. Not exactly lined up here. Okay, that might help. Felt that kick. Really? Felt like it started. Hey! There we go. Oh, sweet. Beautiful. All right, those two main ones. And this one here, it's got a nut on it, so that don't help me any. This one here lost its nut, and it goes on top of that one. Let's see if I'll put this in the vise, get that nut to let go. 16 deep, right? Okay. Let's see. Put it in the vise, see if I can get that nut to let go. Be watching this. You're not nice, are you? More torque on that thing. That nut's gonna do. There we go. All right, let's put this back in. Tighten it up. Oh, bang my head. There you go. Alrighty. That's 1, 2. I got to get that bottom one. 1, 2, 3. Here, you got that one behind that top one. So, it's like the only one I got left. This one here. It has a nut. What do I do with it? Okay. I think somebody just put that in there. I don't think that's original. Maybe I left it on the floor over here. Goes through there. That's running through there. Oh yeah, I got these two nuts. Two little nuts here I haven't got yet. Alright. I would say those were those, right? So 1, 2. Yep. And I think those are 13. Those weren't 16s, those weren't the big ones. So that. Good enough. It only puts out like 200 foot-pounds, so really that critical. Alright, you're on. Yeah, puppy right there. This has gotta be changed. Alright, good. Come over here. Alright,